Here's a land that gave India one of its greatest modern-day warriors.
And here's a language that doesn't let you understand whether you're being reprimanded, loved or ridiculed, because the way these people say it, you can never be sure.
Here's a land that has a mind-boggling mix of spiritualism, capitalism and is characterized as New Age India.
A city that invites young minds from all over the country and caters to their every need while staying true to its Maratha heritage with hints of colonial and Parsi hangover.
Welcome to the land of Shivaji. Welcome to Pune.
Olden days of Pune, now it's Pune.
पुन्हा
Pune.
एक काय झालं
Pune.
एक कसं झालं स्वच्छ पुणे आहे पुणे लई चांगलं आहे
ए बाबा.
पुणे लई चांगलं आहे लय भारी
Courage, valor, swordsmanship are the few words that describe the Marathas that once ruled Pune.
And these are the exact words with which the foundation of this 300-year-old fort was laid, which not only preserves history but makes it available to travelers, luxury tourists and people like us.
Welcome to Fort Jadavgarh, Maharashtra's one and only heritage fort hotel. The story of Fort Jadavgarh was written by Shri Pelaji Jadav Rao, who is a man of substance and strength.
Back in the 17th century, when every season was welcomed by an attempted siege or conquest, places like these were the only thing keeping you away from a POW camp. But now times have changed, places of strategic importance become landmarks of history. And today, this place is marked by Royal Maratha craftsmanship, heritage living, and of course a welcome marked by drum beats that makes you feel like a returning war hero.
Which is why we guys are here with the Kiledar of Fort Jadavgarh, Mr. Biswajit Biswas. How are you? Thank you for having us.
Very fine.
When and how did the fort become into a heritage hotel?
This fort is standing for last 300 years, and in the year 2004 to 2007, Kamath Hotels has taken over this place and restored to its former glory. We have not changed anything in the originality of the fort. We have remained intact how it was in those days.
This particular phrase, Lad Jhagad Aage Badh, I've been reading it everywhere in your property, so I want to know what's the story behind it.
There is a Purandar fort which is 15 kilometers away from here, where Shivaji Maharaj used to stay. And when the enemies want to conquer that fort, so they have to pass this fort and go. That's why they have to fight and they have to go. So Lad Jhagad Aage Badh.
Hunger can take you to a lot of places, but today it landed us over here.
And nothing can come close to the joy of being seated here in a 300-year-old fort overlooking the valley down below while our taste buds crave for some typical Marathi cuisine.
Welcome to Paitha. Excuse me.
Well, the whiff of the delicious food couldn't escape our noses and we came running down all the way to the kitchen. And here we have with us the Mukhya Vallabhacharya of the fort.
तो जो सारा खाना है वो सारा मराठी है.
महाराष्ट्र
खाने में क्या है आज?
कुमड़ी गावरान मसाला है सर. कुमड़ी मीन्स महाराष्ट्र में चिकन को बोलते हैं. सासवाड़ चिकन है सर.
This is spinach paste chicken for you guys.
ये सर भरलेली वांगी महाराष्ट्र फेमस डिश है ये.
Bengan is bangi.
जी.
Bangi in Marathi.
जी. मसाला भात है सर.
Masala bhat.
मसाला भात.
इसका वेजिटेबल बिल्कुल अलग जाता है सर. टिंडली.
टिंडली क्या होता है?
छोटा छोटा जैसे कुकुम्बर होता है सर.
What I'm eating right now, this green chicken dish is called the Saswad chicken. Saswad is the name of the village this fort is located in. It's got a lot of flavors inside it, but it's also on the spicier side.
This is masala bhat. This is cooked only at times of festivities.
This is bharleli wangi, bengan basically. The special part about this bengan is it's got a paste of peanuts, crushed peanuts inside it.
And it's good because you can actually have it like a chicken leg.
Yeah, well, I can pretend to be that. Yeah. Well, after much flaring of nostrils and gasping for air, dessert is the need of the hour.
So we just ordered jalebi because we liked it.
I mean, nothing Marathi about it?
But what is Marathi is Puran Poli. It's sweet paratha basically. And the thing is that only women make it. I like how they like to call it Moshi made it.